Yo, what's up guys? Pav here. And basically today I didn't say producer buzz because I have started working on a new project. Guys, today I will be giving you guys this free FLP studio project. Let me just play it to you guys. Again, if you guys have started watching, make sure you do hit the like. And make sure you subscribe. Because who doesn't love a subscription and like, right? Come on guys, show some love. Well, I should actually show you the project first before you hit any like. So this is the guitar that I've created for you guys and the project which you guys can download for free. And I'm going to show you in a second how. So you guys can finish this track off. Now, I am using the FL Studio Flex on this, so you guys can just basically load it up and it will work fine if you got the Flex installed. And on the effects, I'm using Panagement 2. So you guys can download Panagement 2 in more description. It's free to download. It's a reverb VST plugin. And this is on the, just to give us that kind of harpy sound. I mean, without it, this is what it sounds like. Very blunt with it on. As you guys can see, really cool effect. Now guys, yes, this is a free project I'm giving out just to show some love. If you guys want to edit it, do whatever, yeah, have fun with it. You guys can download it. Send me a link to the project, see what you guys have done. I'm really interested to see what you guys are going to create. Again, this is on a new website called justproducer.com. So justproducer.com, as you guys can see, and this is a forum. So you guys, there's a link below. This will be a forum that I've started, and basically where all the producers can get together and we can all upload and share our projects, melody loops and drum packs, so you can actually attach files and stuff. So it's free to register, and there'll be a link in more description, like to the FLP project. As you can see, once you log in, you'll be able to download. You will need to register or log in. So you got register and log in here on the side. And you can just download the project. Basically, you just click on download here and it will work if you have logged in. So guys, that is pretty much it on this project. Let me know below what you think. I will start creating more free projects and just handing them out to you guys. So, you know, this way you guys can just check the project and boom, like, you know, just edit it, add your own thing and do whatever you want. It's free to everyone to enjoy. I'm not adding any license to this either. Obviously, the drums that I'm using on here, I would suggest you guys replace them with your own drums. As you guys probably will need your own drum kit, but I will attach them anyway, and you guys can just replace the kick, the snares and the perks, and you're pretty much good to go to even, you know, edit it and sell it or do whatever. So yeah, apart from that, make sure you guys hit the like, subscribe, and if you enjoyed this, see you guys again soon. Peace out. Ciao.